Welcome to the very first Department of Tourism National Capital Region's Leadership Excellence Series 2020. Recharge and revitalize.
When this webinar thing started, sabi ko, you have to go out of the box. You have to challenge the norms.
We have some lofty goals for our program. Among these, to provide our tourism industry players and frontliners with accessible, democratized, and holistic learning opportunity that integrates global and local practice.
It also gives people hope that the small steps that they're taking now is something that can lead to more productive work in the future.
COVID-19 is not the end of the world. This too will pass. It is not a dead end, it is a detour. Change is upon us, but you gotta have the bravery to face the realities of the situation and manage the moment. Manage the moment.
We will have to acknowledge where we are before we can even be, plan where we want to be.
We hope that today's participants will glean more than just technical knowledge from the combined expertise and experience of our resource speakers, but also marketing strategies and insights on optimizing human resources that you can apply to your own businesses in the National Capital Region. We are entering a new world, one that demands a different approach to business as usual if we hope to revive our tourism industry in a safe and sustainable manner. Together, we will recover as one.
And that's the only way you really can move forward. We really have to do it together.